We will guide you through how to convert Photoshop file into PDF. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your PSD file in Adobe Photoshop. Click File on the menu bar to open the saving commands. Select Save As or Save a Copy, depending on which option appears in your Photoshop version and whether you want to preserve the original project separately. In the Saving window, open the Save As Type drop-down menu to view the file formats. Select Photoshop PDF, shown with the PDF file name extension, so the document will be exported as a file that can be opened without Photoshop. Browse to the folder where you want to store the exported document. Click Save to confirm the name and location and proceed to the PDF settings. Open the Adobe PDF preset menu and choose a preset that matches the file's purpose. Select High Quality Print for reliable desktop printing, Press Quality for professional printing and production, or smallest file size when easier sharing and uploading matter more than maximum detail. If you do not need to reopen the PDF in Photoshop with its original layers and editing features, optionally uncheck Preserve Photoshop editing capabilities to reduce the file size. You can also open the Compression tab and optionally adjust image downsampling and compression quality to balance visual detail against storage size. Review the chosen preset and any optional changes. Then click Save PDF to begin exporting the document. Wait for Photoshop to finish. Open the destination folder and launch the exported PDF. Check each page or image area for correct color, sharpness, dimensions, and content to verify that the export completed successfully and looks as expected.